Hey! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this Motorola. First of all, you need to locate and open Moto app. Now click on those two lines at the top left corner and select Personalize. After that, you need to click on Fonts and tap on the best one for you. You can see a preview here. When you find the perfect one, you need to apply it by choosing this check mark at the bottom right corner. And as you can see now, when I go back, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!